doing the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway, this giveaway, to participate, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related, maybe something that you're working on. I am a part of the Knit Crate, and if you'd like to be a member, you can sign up under me and get 20% off. Just put in the promo code Joel20. I'm going to pick a winner in a couple of weeks. I have 2 books on Amazon for sale that's listed down below if you'd like to take a look. And if you're looking for some Christmas presents, I have crochet mugs at my Etsy store if you'd like to take a look. So with this giveaway, you get 2 skeins of yarn, which is this green yarn. It's like kind of reminds me of like a green moss. As you can tell, it's got like speckles of different colors in it. It's very thick, and this is what it has. 100% fine Highland wool. Okay, you get 2 of these, very thick. I really like green. It's one of my favorite colors because this is what it looks like with this book here. When you use it, it's very pretty. Here's a little stitch marker that it came with. Ignore my nails. I've been painting and my nails are really bad right now. So here's the sack yarns and the patterns, the bundling blanket and bonnet set blanket. Very cute. So with this giveaway, you would get this book with patterns in it. This is a knit pattern if you knit. I don't knit. I know how to do a basic knit and that's it, but I don't know how to like purl very well. And the socks, which is knit as well. And these are the crochet ones. Very pretty stonemason socks. Okay, so with this giveaway you get this booklet and the 2 skeins of yarn and this little stitch marker. Also, if you'd like to be a member, this is what you would get every month. Okay, so please subscribe. Thank you for watching.